Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you the difference after install BONOSS wheel spacers.
You can run different size wheel spacers with no problem. For most cars, there is difference in the track width between the front and the rear. By increasing the track width, these BMW spacers help reduce body roll, which in turn leads to better handling. In reality, properly installed car wheels with wheel spacers are as safe as wheels without spacers. As a reliable, precise half-century wheel spacers manufacturer, BONOSS is always maintaining the highest quality and best fitment. BONOSS half-century wheel spacers are CNC machined, precision at 0.02mm tolerance. This eliminates any potential gap, ensuring a perfect installation.
The lightweight plus of BONOSS wheel spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. Compared with the previous generation products, the weight is reduced by 20%. The reducing unsprung weight helps the vehicle suspension system work more effectively. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!